Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and one of my favorite things, just in life at this point, is just seeing positive XRP price predictions from Bitcoin maximalists and people that in general, even if not maximalists, just really don't like Ripple and really don't like XRP, and just to see them acknowledge that at a minimum in terms of price action, they believe it's going to be moving to the upside. It's just so sweet. It is so sweet, especially after a lot of these people, especially the maxi types. They said, "Oh man, the whole XRP thing, it's not doing so hot. Wouldn't buy it. I think it's never going to come back. Probably never going to get above $1 again. Probably never going to damn near hit $1 already just within the last week or so." So here's a headline from newsbtc.com. XRP likely to explode to 75 cents as market-wide momentum returns. And indeed, what we've been seeing, what I've been seeing certainly from the vast majority of analysts out there, when they're talking about XRP, they acknowledge, yeah, well, right now there's just consolidation within the market. Makes sense. It's just part of market cycles. And pretty much all of them acknowledge there's going to be some fireworks again soon. Probably sooner than later. So we'll be seeing something. I don't know if it could be within the next week or so. We shall see. But I do want to be clear that I do not have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice, and you should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. I just think it's fun to talk about XRP and crypto, sometimes relating to price, and make YouTube videos about it as a fun hobby. That's it. Just to be super duper clear. I want to start with this. I tweeted this out. I wrote, I still firmly believe XRP will hit $589 end of year 2018. Now, the vast majority of people knew that was a joke, but I guess, well, there are always new people coming in, so I thought maybe I'd take a moment to just anybody that saw that and was wondering, maybe add a little clarity here. There was a cartoon, it sounds so stupid to say this, there was a cartoon bear that said that XRP was going to hit $589 by the end of year 2018, and there were a ton of people, maybe a small percentage of the community, but a ton of people that actually believed that was going to be the case. They thought there's some sort of conspiracy theory, this or that, and as if whoever the powers that be are could magically control the price of XRP, and they were just going to will it up to that price, even though really it's just humans buying and selling that decide what they're willing to pay for any asset that's for sale. So it for so many reasons made no freaking sense. And so I was one of the people that was vocal back in 2018, which at this point is before I even had launched my YouTube channel, but I was like, guys, this is silly, this is nonsense. I was tweeting about it and debating some other people, including even one other XRP YouTuber who actually bought into this thing. I'll leave him unnamed. But it was clear it was just never going to happen. And I'm not even saying whether or not XRP can hit just whatever high price you can think of. I'm just saying by that time frame was freaking absurd, and the amount of money that would actually have to flow in that short of a time period just didn't make any damn sense to me, period. But, so anyway, from time to time, I like to just joke about this, like, XRP, I'm still confident, guys, I'm still confident. It will hit $589 by the end of year 2018. And so some people were confused, like, do you mean 2020? Like, I was like, no, I mean 2018, I do. I'm still confident it's coming. And this is a funny one, too. Somebody named Antonio here responded to me and wrote, I say probably even sooner. You gotta love this. And there are a lot of gifts in here having to do with, like, Doc from, what's it, Back to the Future. Great movie, by the way. Great movie. Good times there. So, no, XRP it was never going to 589 in 2018 or anytime soon. All right. And I'm Mr. XRP bull, mind you, so I do think that XRP, to be clear, will be worth substantially more in the future than it is today. I just don't like the weird, hypey stuff. I think the reality of the situation that we're in is going to be more than fulfilling. And as I record this, XRP is at 62.7 cents, Bitcoin's at $19,397, the market cap for the asset class at $583 billion, and Bitcoin dominance at 61.71%. So into this piece, XRP likely to explode to 75 cents. Was that a good sound effect right there? I think it was pretty sweet. I'm going to do it again. Impressive. That's why you guys are here. That's why you guys are checking out the Moon Lambo channel for the sweet sound effects. XRP has been facing some intense turbulence throughout the past few weeks, but the cryptocurrency is now facing some intense consolidation as analysts await more insights into where the rest of the market will trend in the days and weeks ahead. The resistance that the cryptocurrency faces within the mid to upper 60-cent region is quite intense and may continue hampering its price action in the near term until there's a second wave of buying pressure that causes legacy altcoins like XRP to rally higher. The cryptocurrency may continue extending this bout of sideways trading. Well, you know, at least they're kind of acknowledging that XRP moves with the rest of the market, because a lot of the time over the last couple of years I've been running this channel, it's just the narrative, oh my gosh, there's something fundamentally wrong with XRP. It's like, never mind that XRP maintained its relative position in terms of market cap and has for like 8 years just about. Never mind that. There's something seriously wrong with XRP. It's super duper low in terms of price. What's going on? And now I've been saying the whole time, well, XRP, frankly, is just following just what the rest of the market is doing. It just is. And now we're seeing some acknowledgement of this now that it's impossible to deny that since XRP has moved up in price. But anyway, one trader explained in a recent tweet that he is watching for the cryptocurrency to see some massive momentum in the near term, noting that the upcoming airdrop that XRP holders will receive could spark further momentum. This airdrop is widely looked upon as the impetus of this entire rally that the cryptocurrency has seen, with the recent break above its multi-year range highs at 30 cents also sparking the momentum. Yeah, and so I'm not saying that has nothing to do with in terms of like some people's buying and selling, but outside of Spark, the technicals on the charts indicated that what happened was going to happen. So I do dispute that. It's not some sort of meaningful thing. So if your narrative is now that the only reason this happened is because we can get free Spark tokens, that's silliness. And you know, in fact, you can look at how many people are set to claim it, and it's just like a fraction of all XRP out there that's actually set to receive the damn thing. So I know that you can, got about 6 months from a week from now to claim the damn thing still. But to this point, I'm just saying there is not evidence that massive quantities of people are purchasing XRP for this purpose. I'm sure some are, and anecdotally it must be true in certain instances. I just don't believe that that's the reason that we're seeing what we've seen over the last week or two. It was always the case that eventually, I believe anyway, XRP would move up in price, and we have not finished. Like, this is just the beginning here. And so here's what a Bitcoin maxi ultimately had to say. So one trader explained in a recent tweet that he is expecting XRP to rally higher in the days and weeks ahead as the highly anticipated airdrop approaches. And this is analyst named Loma, L-O-M-A, with 69,100 followers. And so wrote simply the following. And this is clearly not a fan of XRP. But he writes, pretty sure this does something freaky leading up to airdrop. Still a complete S word though. So there you go. Thank you, Bitcoin maxi trolls, acknowledging that it's gonna go higher. Good times here. Here is a tweet from Aquaflow XRP. Wrote, XRP daily status. Wonderful doji candle forming while the price gets closer to blue. There is indecision in the market. A move is coming. This proves that my drawing is right. Time will tell. And so there's a chart that he had associated with this particular tweet. So just broadly accepted that there is consolidation right now. It's completely normal within markets in general. And but what I've seen is sooner than later, pretty much everybody that I'm following is saying sooner than later, even if it's within the next week perhaps, you're going to start to see some fireworks here. Now, here's a piece from fxstreet.com, and this one's titled Ripple Price Prediction. Of course, they mean XRP, but whatever. Right, XRP could rise about 60% if the critical support level holds. So they write, XRP is ready to resume the upside trend after a short consolidation period. The bull flag formation implies 60% growth towards $1. And again, this is what I keep seeing, and this is why I love tracking as many different analysts as possible. And I don't highlight all of them in every single video because then it would just be too long. But I want to share with you when I find trends, and I found one here. It just seems to be the case that the vast majority think we're going to see upside momentum, whether it's to 75 cents or $1 or 92 cents. I've seen all sorts of numbers around there, but there seems to be an agreement, generally speaking, that sooner than later, the bulls are gonna take a charge again. You know, so I just take it for what it's worth. You know, there's no guarantees in anything, and there's certainly an acknowledgement that because we're talking about probabilities here, so there's certainly an acknowledgement that the price could get lower. It's not like it couldn't get closer to like 40 cents or something like that, but it's just highly unlikely. That's what all the analysts are saying that I follow anyway. So. Interesting stuff here, but all good things in time. I think we just need to keep being patient. That's my humble opinion here, and I'm not gonna get impatient and sell my XRP. I'll tell you what, I've been accumulating, and I finally stopped a couple months ago because I think I bought too much. But no, I tell you, I accumulated for years throughout all of this regularly, regardless of price. I just kept accumulating, and I've had an opportunity thanks to that approach to have more XRP than I ever would have guessed I would have. Well, in particular, when I saw the bull rally going in late 2017, I was like, oh man, luckily I got some around 20-something cents, but I was like, well, I don't know if it's going to, after it takes off, I don't know if it's ever going to get back down to these levels again, but it ultimately did, and I didn't know it was, so I just kept dollar cost averaging in, and I'm very thankful for that opportunity. But anyways, as a result of that, and just seeing everything and the emotional buying and selling everyone was doing along the way, I'm just like, I will not be participating in such a behavior. And so however long this takes, I'm going to be here, and I'll be sharing with you what's going on in the news and price action and my personal opinions, and I'd love to hear what all of you think in the comment section below. But I guess this is probably a good wrap-up point. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!